Hickory dickory, fun begins with whirly wheels and happy grins. The big town clock strikes number one. Rescue trucks roll out for fun. Their engines hum, their sirens sing, ready to help with anything. Hickory dickory, off they go, down the road so smooth and slow. A fire truck leads the rescue team, shiny red with a silver gleam. Its ladder rises tall and bright, reaching rooftops, touching light. At the clock striking number two, a puppy stuck. Oh yes, it's true, the brave fire truck knows what to do. Up goes the ladder, sturdy and new. The puppy barks with tiny paws, saved at last to loud applause. Hickory dickory, at number three, the rescue cars zoom fast and free. A tow truck rumbles down the street, its hook swings gently to the beat. A small blue car is stuck in mud, but the tow truck saves it with a thud. Up it goes and out it comes, children clap and tap their thumbs. When the clock strikes number four, there's honking near the grocery store. A rescue jeep with stripes of gold spots a bike that lost control. Gently now it pulls aside the little rider far and wide. The jeep says, "You're okay, my friend," with a smile only jeeps can send. Hickory dickory, ding and dong, rescue trucks keep rolling strong. At number five, a loud "oh no," a kite is stuck where winds won't blow. A tall crane truck with steady might lifts its arm up to the height. Slow and sure it frees the kite, sending cheers across the night. At number six, the sky turns pink. The vehicles stop and start to think, have we helped enough today? Have we made some fun this way? The rescue cars all laugh and beat a joyful sound before they sleep. Hickory dickory, seven chimes ring, birds begin to flap and sing. A rescue van with tools inside helps a wagon on the side. A wheel is bent, a screw is loose, but the van knows just what to use. Twist and turn, click and click, now the wagon rolls so quick. At number eight, they reach the park where glowing lamps replace the dark. Kids gather round with smiling faces, watching trucks roll into places. The vehicles line up in a row, letting children touch and know. All the buttons, lights, and doors, magic moments, never chores. Hickory dickory, nine strikes near, the trucks prepare to disappear. Back to the station, safe and sound, resting wheels on solid ground. 10 o'clock and the moon is bright, the rescue fleet whispers goodnight. Engines quiet, lights turn low, dreaming of the next day's glow. For when the big clock ticks again, they'll race to help the town's best friends. Hickory dickory, fun runs far, all thanks to rescue trucks and cars. Hickory dickory, fun begins with whirly wheels and happy grins. The big town clock strikes number one. Rescue trucks roll out for fun, their engines hum, their sirens sing, ready to help with anything. Hickory dickory, off they go down the road so smooth and slow. A fire truck leads the rescue team, shiny red with a silver gleam. Its ladder rises tall and bright, reaching rooftops, touching light. At the clock striking number 2, a puppy stuck, oh yes, it's true. The brave fire truck knows what to do. Up goes the ladder, sturdy and new. The puppy barks with tiny paws, saved at last to loud applause. Hickory dickory, at number 3, the rescue car zoomed fast and free. A tow truck rumbles down the street, its hook swings gently to the beat. A small blue car is stuck in mud, but the tow truck saves it with a thud. Up it goes and out it comes. Children clap and tap their thumbs. When the clock strikes number 4, there's honking near the grocery store.